Hey everyone, Justin here, and we're back with Sven and Blue, the puppies. Bear with me 1 second. Play! Good, 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 good. Good, yeah! So we're back again with Blue and Sven and the puppy pages. Again, it's just vibration like a cell phone, and we're just trying to create habits within these puppies. I think habits do eventually become their nature. So we're just going to keep recalling time and time again, and just really get that behaviour kind of installed in them. So we're going to walk the puppies now. So, isn't Blue just like the cutest little puppy? It looks like the Andrex. I think it's the Andrex puppy. For anyone in the UK, obviously you know what Andrex is. Toilet paper, comforting. The little puppy runs downstairs. Good, 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 good. Good.
Alright, so tell us about you're going to Animal Kingdom.
Oh yeah.
The show's going on the road.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, those who know me, my dream's always been to go on a safari and see the wild animals and get involved with the lions. One second, just going to play. Good, yeah. So I just love big cats. I love the lions. I love everything out there. So can't quite afford to go there, but while I'm in Florida, Disney Animal Kingdom, going on a little safari, Kilimanjaro safari. So we'll make sure we get lots of videos of that. So if you've never been before, you can get an inside glimpse before you go, which I'm sure after the video you're going to want it. So yeah, that's that. Sven! Good! Good! So again, just recording when the puppies are going away. Make sure their backs are turned. Sven! Good! Good, 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 good. Sven! Yay! Do you guys see how important that is to be calling them when the back's turned? Just creating habits within these dogs. Good! Yeah, good! Sven! Blue! Sven! Yay! Yay! Look at you guys! Look at you guys! Oh, Molly. Molly, Molly, Molly. See how it's creating expectation as well. Come on, Sven! Sven! Good! Good! I'm not sure if you guys saw at home there, Sven turned his head as he was running away because we created the expectation of every time he is running away to get him back and get him recalled. So that's it for now. We'll see you soon and you'll see the puppies soon as well. Take care.